Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. No, thanks to all the new subscribers to subscribe to my channel. The channel is still growing, still need a target of 1,000 subscribers. So I just want to let you guys know. So before we even jump into the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below as well. So here's one thing I have to say to you. Stop entering a new relationship with old expectations. Let me go again, very slow. Stop entering new relationship with old expectations. When I say this, what do I mean by that? It is simple. We oftentimes enter new relationships with the same old expectations. Oh, for example, oh, he's going to beat me like the next person or the person that I had before. She's going to treat me bad. She's going to use me. She's going to take all my money. She's going to use me for my car. She's going to use me for the job that I have. Or on the flip side of it, he's going to abuse me physically, verbally. He's going to treat me bad. He's going to want me to pay all sorts of bills. He's going to want to borrow money from me. He's going to want to say, hey babes, Mountain, I'll give you back this or give you back that. Or he wants you to take him out on dates, or you spend all your money because probably your work, you have a high paying job compared to his. Clear up all of that. Don't clear up all of that problem, clear up all of that before you enter into a relationship with somebody. You can't expect everybody to be the same. You can't expect all men, all women to be the same. Everybody is unique in their own way. Everybody have a different personality. Everybody have different expectation. However, you have to demand better for yourself. You have to ensure that you lay it out there in the open and express yourself and explain yourself to the person that you're dealing to. Say, hey, this is me, this is who I am, this is what I want, this is what I'm looking forward to. You can't expect people to read your mind. You can't expect people to know. So by you going into a new relationship and judging them and expecting them to basically treat you as though the person before treat you, you're going to have problems, you're going to have issue. So you have to enter a new relationship with an open mind. So ensure that you do your due diligence. Ensure that you set your foundation. Ensure that you get things cleared up before you enter. Also, one of the things that you need to take into consideration, sometimes we need a break. Sometimes you break up, you're in an abusive relationship or in a relationship that sapped all your energy, suck you dry, literally. You're stressed out, you're broke, you're angry, you're just frustrated, you're easily annoyed, you have a lot of stress, pent up anger and emotions, and you feel now that it is a time for you to enter a new relationship. It might help you, it might solve the issue. You might find somebody that's going to treat you better or take your mind off your partner. Sometimes that's not really the case. Sometimes you just need time for yourself. Sometimes we just need to love ourselves. Sometimes we just need to be alone. So being alone won't hurt. So take that into consideration. Being alone helps sometimes. Listening to your thoughts, just being by yourself and understanding who you are as an individual can help you greatly in any relationship, in all aspect of life, whether it be work, family, whatever it may be. This will help you. So find yourself, figure out what you want. Sometimes you don't need all that. You don't need to jump back into a relationship. You haven't found the time, you haven't found yourself to basically know what you really want, so you're taking back that old expectation into the new relationship. So just give yourself time. Give yourself time to learn you, to understand you, to know what you really want before you go in with the same old expectations. You see what I'm saying? But for both men and women, it go both ways. So that's the message I want to leave with you guys. Because I see a lot of people, I've talked to a lot of people, and I'm getting that old type of vibe where they judge me and they judge men, they judge women, and they group everybody in a circle. And I'm like, how can you do that? Everybody is different. How can you group everybody together? And I realize it's an issue. It's a cultural problem. It's a stereotype as well, and people have to to realize that change is needed. You need to look at things from a different perspective. You need to understand who you are and what you really want and what you're putting forward and what you're expecting, because if you're not ready for a relationship, you're just not ready. So you can't force it, you can't fight it, you're just not ready. And if you're not ready, things are not going to flow the way you want it to flow. So you're going to end up in problem again and again and again. And instead of holding yourself accountable, you're going to blame every single body that comes into your life, that is passing through your life. So instead of passing through or allowing people to pass through your life, put a stop to it. Find yourself first. Figure out what you want, you know, and then you make that jump and enter a relationship with new expectations. So, you know, don't take your old expectations into your new relationships. That's my advice to you. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. This is where I'm going to end it. Leave your comments below. If you have done this before, nobody is perfect, or if you have experienced this before with your partner where they keep telling you that you're the same person, you're similar to the person that they dated before, you know, they're expecting you to do this. Oh, I know you're going to do this, you're just like him or you're just like her. Share it in the comments below. Let us, you know, have a little debate with that. So thanks again for watching JVLOGS. I really appreciate you guys. Look out for more video. I know I've been slacking off this week, but thanks for watching. God bless you all. Stay safe. Mark Plunkett, I'm out.